Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Again, we are an AI lab, okay? This video is for entertainment purpose only. That's the thingy. But pay attention. How to use the AI to make money. We are a lab that's squeezing the robot, right? We're squeezing the robot to give me money, to give us money, to give you tips on how to make money. And one of these days, um, the AI tells me that we can short the housing market and make money. Okay, so we use ChatGPT or a machine learning type of indicators. A few of them, okay, but one of them it's cool. And watch our videos. The few back there about a machine learning type of indicator. So again, we're squeezing the AI to tell us how to trade to short the housing market. And let's start with this. Again, we know that ChatGPT, better than ChatGPT, so the ChatGPT on steroids, it's Perplexity. Okay, and I asked ChatGPT, like this Perplexity thingy, find me 5 similar companies like Boxabl. Boxabl, you know what's all about, and I will show you the video in few seconds. But again, Boxabl competitors, and one of them is Blue Homes, then it's Plant Prefab, Method Homes, Connect Homes, and a lot of other them. Buy a build, okay? So we have a lot of competitors which are cloning this concept, and you'll see. I saw the Mexicans are doing it, the Chinese are doing it. In Europe, there's a lot of companies which are doing similar things. I'm talking about these type of new homes which are cheap, cheap, cheap. The point is this: how do I make money out of these? So the thing is, I go to uh, this indicator. One of the best tools to make money, it's this Laurentian classification. So go on indicators on TradingView and grab these. Then underneath you can use MACD and another type of indicator, let's say RSI. Okay, so use RSI, MACD, and take this Laurentian classification. It's a machine learning and it gives you signals, excellent signals, how to do this. And the latest signal that gives me this thingy, because I've been watching this stock, okay, it's right in here. Have a look, it's green. Uh, this DRV, okay? Remember, use DRV. Go to your broker and ask him to help you to trade options on these. Again, DRV, it's Direction Daily Real Estate Bear. So it's a bear market. These guys are the reversal. Again, when DRV goes up, the housing market, the real estate market in the States goes down. Okay, so this it's a reversal and it's 3 times accelerated. Okay, so remember, the best thing to trade it, you go in here, have a look, boom, you see it, the real estate 3x shares, DRV. Okay, it is $48.22. Do look what you do. Go to options, and I went in here and I get the contract to expire on August 18th. So my best thing, I'm buying calls this time. Although I'm shorting the market, these are calls because it's a reversal thing. Okay, so I'm betting that the house market is going down, buying this time calls And one of the good things is this. I'd love to take these $42 August call. It will cost me roughly, let's say $11 or so, or 11.60, but I can double my money in few weeks, in less than 2-3 weeks. And you'll find out why, and I'll give you the thingy. Because these type of houses are killing the real estate industry, and all the agents are losing money, because when you get these type of houses to sell left and right, your commission, it's small, small, small. All right. And again, the interest rate, the mortgage rates are really high, and everybody will somehow move to smaller houses, cheaper houses, okay, affordable, Boxabl houses. And there are a lot of competitors. Have a look, you'll find in here so many guys which are cloning this concept. That's why I'm telling you, cheaper houses will bring smaller commission to the real estate market, okay? So that's why I'm betting on these. And again, I use these to confirm. I go to Perplexity or ChatGPT to ask interesting questions, intelligent questions. How do I do it? What's the best? And again, I go in here and I see on a 5-minute chart, you can use 15-minute chart, okay? I go DRV. DRV shows me this signal, okay? Gives me right here this signal that this will go up, and I'm betting on this. I will double my money again, just because these type of houses just killed the big and expensive type of housing. Okay, so most of the prices are going down. Think about, if I'm selling $500,000, a house of $500,000, why wouldn't I buy 10 of these and install them on different properties? I'm telling you, I can rent out 10 of these anytime. All right? Okay, again, have a look. Go here. Remember, it's August. Calls, DRV, 42 call. And the most thingy, I would pay $11.60 for it, because I have a good chance to double my money. Again, I'll ask you kindly, we give you a lot of these tips. Follow us again on Telegram, follow us on Twitter, but please subscribe and leave comments below. Okay, thank you very much and have a profitable day.